I want to show you how to censor words in Premiere. To begin, go over to your project panel and right-click. Select New Item, Bars and Tone. Then click OK. Now click and drag the bars and tone to your timeline. Then right-click the file, select Unlink, then delete the video portion of the bar. If the audio didn't appear on your timeline, you need to enable source patching for the audio by clicking here. Now, right-click the audio beep and select Speed/Duration, then change the value to 6 and hit OK. Right-click the audio and select Copy, then move your timeline slider to the location of the word that you want to censor and push Ctrl+V to censor that word.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.